What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix smart lock not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to confirm, and after restarting it will fix the smart lock issue. But after restarting, if you're still facing the issue, then open settings for the next solution, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and look for the Google Services app. So open the Google Play Services app, scroll down and go to its storage, and in the storage clear the cache memory of Google Services. Now after clearing the cache memory, it will help you to fix the smart lock issue. But after that, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset all settings of your phone. So for this, open settings again, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here, scroll down and click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then again click on this reset option. So when you will click on this reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the smart lock will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.